Hi there and welcome to the channel. As you might have figured out from the intro, this time we decided to go to New Zealand and here are the numbers. We are traveling as the family of 4 adults, 2 children, 3 flights to go and 3 to come back. We have 17 nights to spend in the country, 1 island to explore, 1 motorhome to share and plenty of beautiful places to see. Off we go! Soft bags that we bought for this trip to fit them all in the camper van. Эй! Не знаю, мой род. Сейчас будем искать. Sarai cameraman.
Troppo difficile per me.
No. We split into 2 cars because there were too many and the car for 6 people cost a bit over our budget-friendly trip. So we are the first ones that are gonna arrive to the airport. They're making a race, but I think we have much better chances. We departed first and then our car is much better than theirs. Ah, hai portato l'elefante? L'elefante è tutto molto contento, dice yay, andiamo all'aeroporto di Guangzhou! Poi voliamo? Yay! Abbiamo vinto? La gara? Come avete fatto?
Avete pagato l'autista di più.
Oh, dai, che più veloce.
Sì!
Allora, siete pronti per questo viaggio in Nuova Zelanda? Cosa vi aspettate di vedere e trovare?
Io mi aspetto tantissima natura e tanti animali.
Che animali?
Le foche, i pinguini e poi penso che non ci sia nient'altro, qualche uccello, kiwi
Le balene?
e anche le balene se riusciamo a vederle.
We are waiting for our first flight, first of the 3 that we are expecting. Our gate was really boring and we arrived really early, so we decided to go to the gates that we know very well, which have the little playground here and most importantly have coffee on the back. Danny, what are you having? Yogurt. Danny's having yogurt and croissant and we are all drinking coffee. Yay. Happy? Happy or no? Cosa hai mangiato? Lo yogurt. Era buona. You will think, why the hell make 2 stopovers on the way? Well, mainly there were 2 reasons. One is pretty obvious. By the time we decided on the destination for this holiday, the ticket prices for direct flight Guangzhou to Auckland got really expensive. And second, well, we kind of didn't plan to go to Auckland in the first place, as we did set our minds on the South Island of New Zealand. So we found some affordable tickets with timings which were not awful. They even allowed us to meet our friends for dinner in Vietnam. So we said, why not? So Ho Chi Minh, here we come.
Ciao, I am Danny
And where are you?
on the truck.
Right. We're actually in Vietnam, in Saigon airport. We just did the biggest line ever for the customs. We're exiting, we're going out to the city to meet our friend, and then we're coming back here.
because of the poison of the beef. Then they cook this.
Naturale, pan.
Sono anche i furgoncini.
Sei arrivato in Nuova Zelanda, cosa dici? Stai per prendere un Uber per la prima volta nella tua vita, cosa dici?
Vediamo se funziona. Meglio dei taxi in Italia.